Hello, this time we are going to be adding and subtracting fractions with like or same denominator. We know that a fraction has two main parts. The top part is called numerator and the bottom part is called denominator. Now, how we do this? The theory says, or that is a mathematical rule that says that to add two fractions or three fractions with like denominator, the easy way to do that is to just copy the numerator and then just add or subtract the numerator. Again, a mathematical rule that says that when a fraction has the same denominator or bottom part, you only copy that. So we have here 4 and 4, so you just copy it over here. Now, the top part or the numerator, you only add it or subtract it. In this case, we are going to be adding 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So this fraction becomes 6 over 4. And then we can also simplify this. Simplify means to make it smaller until we can no longer divide it. So the half of 6 is 3. And the half of 4 is 2. So we can no longer divide 3 into equal parts, but we can do it with 2. So then this fraction 3/4 plus 3/4 is equal to 6/4 or 3 over 2. Number 2. We have here 5/7 plus 6/7. Again, we just copy the denominator 7. Now we add 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. So this fraction is 11 over 7. This is an irregular fraction. Why is it irregular fraction? Because the top part or the numerator is larger than the bottom part or the denominator. When that happens, you can divide that, but that will become a decimal. But we are not working on decimal on third grade, so we leave it the way it is. 3. We have 16 over 25 plus 12 over 25. We just do the same. We only do the same. 25, we just copy it here because it repeated 2 times. And then we only add 16 plus 12, which is going to be 28. Can we simplify this or make it smaller? 25, you can divide it in 2 because it's 14 plus 14, but 25 you cannot. So we leave it the way it is. Then we have here 23 over 100 plus 54 over 100. So we do the same. We copy the denominator and then we add the numerator. 23 plus 57 is equal to 77. So here we have a regular fraction. Why we say this is a regular fraction? Because the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Can we simplify this? No, because 77 is an odd number, so it cannot be divided. Even though 100 you can, but still if one of these numbers cannot be divided into 100, so you cannot do with a second number. Now we have here another regular fraction. 6 plus 1 is 7, and then 9 and 9, you don't add this, you don't subtract it, you just only 7 over 9. We have here two odd numbers. So can we simplify it? No. We leave it as it is. Again, we got here 8 over 10 plus 4 over 10. We copy the denominator, the bottom number, 10. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. We have here an irregular fraction because the top number is larger than the bottom number. Can we simplify this? Yes, we can, because both numbers are even. So 6, the half of 12 is 6, and the half of 10 is 5. Now we can no longer divide this because 5 cannot be divided into equal parts. Here we have 4 over 6 plus 4 over 6. We copy the denominator, which is the same. We only add the top number. Can we simplify this? Yes, we can. Half of 8 is 4. Half of 6 is 3. Can we divide this? No, so we leave it there. 18 over 50 plus 42 over 50. What we do, we copy the denominator and then we add a top number. 18 plus 42 is equal to 60. We have here an irregular fraction. Top number is larger than the bottom number. Next, 1320 plus 1120. We copy the denominator. We add a top number, which is 24. Can we simplify this? Yes. Half of 24 is 12. Half of 20 is 10. Half of 12 is 6. Half of 10 is 5. Can we divide this? No. So then, if we reduce this, that will be equal to 6 over 5. Now, let's do subtracting fractions. These fractions are with the same or like denominator. Is the same principle. Sorry about this. This is 15. We copy the denominator. 14 minus 13 is equal to 1. There's no more. 6 we got here. 9 is the denominator. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. We cannot simplify this or reduce it. Then the same over here. 100. And then we have to subtract 95 95 minus 36. How much is this? So basically here we have a total of 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. This is equal to 59. So now since you know the principle how to do that, so you can work on this on your own. Have fun. Thank you. Adding and subtracting fractions. Adding and subtracting fractions is super easy when is with the same or like denominator. Later on, we are going to be working on adding and subtracting fractions with different denominator, which is pretty fun too. The only thing you need there is to use multiplication to get to your fractions. Thank you.